Hi, this is Raju here. I will now show you how to use the data entry modules that have been made for all the financial documents like GC2Pay, GC Paid, DCR, PR Paid, and the other related documents where financial implications are involved. These modules can also be further processed for working out the commissions for the agents. Let us begin now by opening the Excel file named GC Data Entry Module GC2Pay. This is the dashboard, and this module has actually been worked on an Excel file using VBA coding. This dashboard consists of these three important blue colored buttons. The extreme left one shows the data capture, the center one shows the data report, and the extreme right one shows the data entry form. For this video, we will see how to use the data entry form. By clicking on the data entry form will open up. We click this and see the data entry form is opened up, and if you see here, it is GC2Pay. So whenever you open any module and click on the data entry form, see that the correct module is opened. If you are entering GC2Pay, please see that the GC2Pay is coming up here on the screen here in the data entry form. The moment you open the data entry form, by default, the cursor will be placed on the first field, that is the month field. And as you hit the tab, it will go down to the subsequent fields in order. So it comes here. When it comes to the last column, that is consignee, last field, that is consignee, and after the consignee's data is filled up and hit tab, you will see that the append data button is highlighted. I'll just repeat this. Hit tab from consignee and that is highlighted. Once you see that this append button is highlighted, hit enter and the data will be captured in the sheet known as data capture. So let us begin describing the fields. These fields are two types. One, you see an arrow mark at the end of each field, some of the fields, and in some of the fields you will not see any arrow mark like these. Okay, so what's the difference between these two fields? The fields where you find an arrow mark are the fields where data is preloaded to enable you to speed up the data entry. For example, in the month, if you click on the arrow, you will find a drop down list of the various months with the years. So you will have to click on the relevant year. For example, you want to do for March 2015, you select March 2015 and left click on your mouse, it comes up. If you want to delete this entry here, what you do is you press the backspace and then it goes off. Another way of doing it is hitting the first letter of the month, for example, January. You can also change the month by using your up arrow or down arrow as you please. If you hit the down arrow, it will go to the next subsequent month and so on. Okay. Once you selected this month, let's say we want to select August and we hit A. August 2014 has come. And then hit the tab. It will go to the next field. you have to fill in the booking station. From the GC note, if you see what is the booking station, hit the first alphabet of the station. Let's say you are entering data for Tirunelveli bus stand. So hit T. The moment you hit T, the first station starting with T in the master list is Tenkasi. So what you have to do, you have to come to Tirunelveli, hit the next letter in the word Tirunelveli, TI. Comes to Tirchangood. Now you go to the down arrow and keep pressing till you come to Tirunelveli bus stand. Let's say you come to new bus stand. Okay. Now before you enter this tab, one more thing you'll have to see. The next field is office type. Now how do you remember whether Tirunelveli bus stand is a bus stand agent or an independent agent or a company branch? To know this, we have provided you a guide. Now you can see this guide at the bottom right of the data entry form, which says office type and area selection guide. So after you select the booking station, you enter tab, you will see the cursor coming down to the bottom right and it blinks on the field marked B. To know which area it is and what type of office it is, you simply have to type out the station code which is appearing here. The station code that is appearing here is 643. So just type 643. The moment you type 643, you will have the information displayed as this office, Tirunelveli new bus stand, is falling under Tirunelveli area and the office type is bus stand agency. BSA is a short form for bus stand agency. So hit the tab again from here, it goes to office type. The moment you come to office type, hit B. So you go to bus stand agent. That's clear. Then you hit tab again. You have to fill in the booking area. The booking area in the guide shows Tirunelveli area. Therefore, type out T. The moment you type out T, you will get Tirunelveli. Then you hit tab again and then you select the delivery station. Delivery station, let's say it is Pondi. So press P, O, N. Say Pondi Metropolitan, you have selected. Which area does it fall under? To know this, simply hit the tab and cursor will go to D field at the right hand bottom. Here again you will have to type out the station code which you see in the delivery station. Here in this case it is 984, so simply type 984. You will see here it comes under Viluppuram area. So hit the tab again and in the delivery area where the cursor is blinking, type the first letter of the word Viluppuram. V. Viluppuram appears there. Hit tab again and then the next field is goods forwarding note received, GFN received. Here if you press the down arrow, you will have select yes or no. So here you have only two choices, whether the goods forwarding note has been received or not received. So if it is received, you put yes, goods forwarding note received, yes. And then here you have to understand one thing. Any other data entry that is made other than the preloaded data, you will get an error. For example, instead of selecting yes, you type OK. If the goods forwarding not received, suppose you type OK and press tab, you will see an invalid property value. That means what you have entered is wrong and it does not accept. So you have to go back and then change it to the correct one by pressing the down arrow and selecting the option. Then you go to VLC 7C, whether the GC booking is VLC or VSL or 7C. Like this you keep on entering the data. Set to continue. As you hit the tab, it moves down to the various fields. After it comes to the consignment, you hit tab again, it comes to append. You append the data. Once you hit the append the data, you will see this screen flickering. That means the data has been appended. Suppose you want to clear the data what you entered here before appending it. You just hit clear and the data will be cleared, and only these default options select will be appearing. If you want to close the session, you can close the session by hitting end session. And the data entry form goes down. Now if you want to see what the data capture is there, you see these are the things that you have entered here. It is being appended here, one row below the other. After this you have to save the file. After every data entry is over, you have to save the file. Go to dashboard again. If you want to start again, then hit the data entry. Once you have made this, you hit, when the data entry form is there, when you try to save, it will not save. So whenever you want to save, end session and then click the save button and get saved. Thank you for the first part of this video.